How do you ask for haircut layers without getting a bad haircut? First things first is it comes down to the skill level of the hair professional who is doing your hair, whether it's a barber or a hairstylist. Layering is a technique. A technique that is designed to remove weight from the hair. So if the hair traveled from this point all the way down to here, it would have no layers, which basically means that it would be laying at its flattest point. It would be the heaviest. So if I were to then layer this hair, I'm freeing up a lot of that weight and removing a lot of it. Now there's a variety of different layered shapes you can get. And these are things that I've learned as a hair professional for over 30 years. It's not really super complicated. Now, if you're watching this as a client, how do you not get a bad haircut? Well, once again, it comes down to the skill of the professional. They can either do a crime scene on your head with layering, or they can be really, really good. And you will know this because a good layered haircut will actually have a flow very similar to this. And I'll show you even more up close here. So you can see on this mannequin, now mind you, this mannequin was like laying on the floor for a little bit, so it's got kind of bedhead. But you see when I rake my fingers through it, look at how nice that those layers just flow right in, right? It's basically, if you have a good layered haircut, then your hair is just gonna look good all the time no matter what you do. A bad haircut or a bad layered haircut is when you're gonna see steps in it. One part lays very flat, one part it looks very unbalanced, and it becomes very difficult to style your hair. So how do you get a good haircut? Well, you have to express what you want to the hair professional in a way that if you are getting layers, you need to physically show them where you think you want layers and why. Meaning, you could say, oh, my hair normally lays very, very flat into here. And a lot of times stylists, they cut it very square, which makes this lay very flat in this corner. I need more volume and lift. So can we cut, and you could lift your hair like so and say, can we cut this? I cut this rounded. This is how I mostly cut. But show them, say, this area right here lays very flat, and look at how long this corner is. We need to round this out to follow my head shape to make it fuller. A good professional will know that. A bad professional, meaning they don't know how to cut hair properly, won't even know what you're talking about. So again, find someone good, but visually show the problem areas on your head to the hair professional. This way they can kind of co-identify where the issues are and say, oh yeah, I see this, because we're very visual people. So the next thing about how to get a good layered haircut without it looking bad is making sure you understand the hair type that you have, and do you have the right hair length? Meaning maybe your hair is too short to have a more longer layered flow haircut. Or maybe your natural texture is very coarse, curly, wiry, and if you cut your hair too short or you cut the layers too short, you're gonna go home and it's gonna look like little ringlets and half the length, because the hair will shrink up when it's curly, when it dries. So it's gonna look like, you're gonna be like, what did you do to my hair? You botched it up. You just don't have the right hair texture or the right haircut for your texture. So that's where, again, the professional should know this. So make sure that whatever haircut you're getting that involves layers, that the hair professional knows what they're doing, and that you understand there has to be some compromise and some balance with your current hair texture, your current length. Sometimes a lot of the haircuts need to go shorter. Sometimes you need to grow the hair longer. So understand that layering is a technique that's designed to create a shape. And then one last thing that's super important that I tell people all the time is if you hold your hair up, right? If you're a client watching this and you hold your hair up, whether it's this long, however long it is, take that piece and then bring it down. This is where, however high you hold the hair from your head, that's where it's gonna fall with the layering. Meaning, if I bring it here, it's gonna fall here, which means that's why I have this nice flow in through here because the layers are all balanced. And how do you know how short or long to go? Well, that really depends on you, right? Are you okay with having a shorter feathered haircut like this? Or, do you want something longer and you have more of the flowing layers like in my, my signature money layered haircut, the one I do all the time, where the layers are a bit longer, it's more of a medium length, but it still has a beautiful flow to it. So you have to understand, like, where do you want to see those layers and what type of hair length are you looking to get? Let me know if you found this video helpful. If you need any help with consultations, I offer a virtual VIP Zoom consultation where I analyze your hair. I suggest to you what's wrong, what's working, not working, all sorts of stuff. It's a great VIP experience, and I do these with people all over the world on a weekly basis. So you can click View Products and book one with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.